Baby, it's cold outside, but not just cold, it's dangerously cold.
Yep, frostbite and hypothermia can affect you in just minutes. Dr. Zorba Paster is here tonight from his clinic in Oregon. Hi, Zorba. Good to see you.
A pleasure to be here.
So have you seen any cold-related calls today?
Oh, yes, I have. First of all, I have seen a lot of people, especially young people who are not dressed properly, come in spring jackets in the middle of this weather. So my first thought is make sure that you cover up, double glove if you're going to work outside. I had one guy who worked outside and said, my hands are cold. I said, get a glove liner or get a work glove that's used for gardening. Put it inside your gloves. Mittens are even better. Make sure you cover your head, your neck, and pay attention because it is chilly out there. You can get windburn on your face, and it's something that all of us can avoid with just a little bit of thought, especially parents telling their teenagers, dress smart.
Oh, I hope my son is watching. Maybe he'll take it from you because he won't take it from me.
You know, it's also Blue Monday today, the so-called most depressing day of the year.
Right.
The holidays are over, bills coming in. Back to work. The Packers lost. It's cold outside.
That's it.
Is this a real
The Packers lost. What? The bad weather. What could be more depressing than that? There's only one way to go, and that is up. But it is true. Some people label this as Blue Monday. A little bit of pseudoscience there, but it's the midst of the winter. This is the time to, if you're depressed, if you're unhappy, to think about some important things. And there was a very interesting article that just came out in the Journal of the American Medical Association today that talked about the benefits of contemplative thinking or depression. And it showed, this was a study of studies, that people who engage in meditation or yoga or contemplative thinking, as it's called, on a regular basis, appear to have less depression, may appear to have a little bit less anxiety too. And these are easy things to learn because nowadays there is a yoga studio on your block right next to the Starbucks coffee shop. And yoga is a great way to sort of get into the physical way of meditating and contemplation, and that will help depression. And that's what this study of studies showed. It really works.
How easy is meditation to learn? Is it something you can just do sitting at your desk?
Absolutely. There's a book that I read recently called Search Inside Yourself by the #6 person at Google, who talked about how meditation is something you can learn and do at your desk. And he was teaching Googlers, people who work at Google, how to meditate at their desk just for 3 to 5 minutes at a time. It's something, there are a variety of good books. Search Inside Yourself, I think, is one of the great books that's out there. It makes some easy ways to do it.
Oh, that's great.
Rather than the big physical yoga thing, you could read this and do it right at home.
I think that it would be hard for you to practice yoga at your desk in the TV studio.
Well, Susan's tried it, but
meditation you could
talk
do.
her out of it. We usually say stay well, Zorba. How about stay warm?
Thank you. Stay warm to you.
We'll see you later.
Good to see you, Zorba.